Unlock a world of secure and private streaming on your Apple TV with IPVanish. First things first, grab your Apple TV remote, navigate to the App Store, and use the search function to find IPVanish. Once you've found the IPVanish app, select it and then choose Get or the cloud download icon to install it onto your Apple TV. After installation, open the IPVanish app. You'll be prompted to log and enter your existing IPVanish username and password, or sign up for a new account if you haven't already. Now, the heart of your secure connection. On the main screen, you'll see various server locations for the fastest connection. Tap the Connect button, which will automatically select the optimal server for you. If you want to choose a specific country or city to connect through, tap on the server location option, browse the list, and select the server that best suits your needs. Once you've selected a server, tap Connect. Again, you'll see the app status change to Connected, indicating your Apple TV is now protected by IPVanish. Congratulations! You're now set up to stream privately and securely on your Apple TV with IPVanish, protecting your online activity from prying eyes. Enjoy your enhanced streaming experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips.